Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to forget a Wi-Fi network on your Nintendo Switch 2. Let's get into the method. On the Switch 2 home screen, head to the System Settings app and then scroll down until you are in the section called Internet. On here choose Internet Settings and then wait for the next page to load. Now find your network in the Registered Network section and select it. To remove this network from your Switch 2, choose Delete Settings and then confirm this. You could alternatively choose Change Settings and then enable or disable Auto Connect, which is towards the bottom of this page. That's how to forget a Wi-Fi network on your Nintendo Switch 2. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.